second session according to hydrocarbons, that is alkane. In today's session, we are going to discuss about reactions of alkanes. Actually, alkanes are not much more reactive like other hydrocarbons or their derivatives. Alkanes just give two types of reactions, that is combustion. First one is combustion. In combustion, alkanes are burnt on large scale for the use of fuel. Second one, alkane give free radical substitution reaction. In this session, we will discuss about the combustion in detail, what is combustion and effect of combustion on the environment. As it is evident from this line, combustion is burning of alkane on large scale as fuel, like in car engines, railway engines, industries, or combustion or burning of gas at custom. Combustion is divided into two main types, that is complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Burning of oxygen, burning of oxygen, burning of alkanes or hydrocarbon chain in the plenty of oxygen, which results in the production of carbon dioxide and water. If carbon dioxide and water is being produced during the combustion, it means it is a complete combustion. For example, we are burning or combusting a compound octane to carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide is like that. Alkane plus oxygen will give carbon dioxide and water. This is an octane, 8 carbon compound, 8 carbon hydrocarbon chain, and oxygen will give carbon dioxide and water. We are going to balance the equation. In the first step, carbon compound is of 8 carbon, so that's why we are producing 8 carbon dioxide. Then this compound contain 18 hydrogen, it means it will form 18 divided by 2 water molecule, that is 9 water molecule. 9 water molecule in both of these compound, that is 16 plus 9 oxygen, which is 25. We will use this as a 25 divided by 2 will give 25, or it will be a 50. So 25 oxygen are being used in this reaction. For balancing the reaction, we have to multiply this denominator as the LCM of whole equation. We have to multiply this LCM to whole equation, that will give 2C8H18 and plus 25 O2 will produce 16 carbon dioxide molecule and 18 water molecule. Okay, this is complete combustion. incomplete combustion, or we can say complete combustion, occur in the presence of excess of oxygen or plenty of oxygen. If there is excess of oxygen, combustion will be complete and will produce carbon dioxide and water. Both carbon dioxide and water are harmless substances, harmless compounds. But when oxygen amount is limited, it will give a carbon monoxide, and this type of combustion is called incomplete combustion. When alkanes are burned only in limited supply of oxygen. If oxygen has limited supply, then incomplete combustion will take place. And not all the carbon is fully oxidized. Some carbon is only partially oxidized to form carbon monoxide. For example, incomplete combustion of octane to form carbon monoxide. If you want me to share you more about this kind of videos, so make sure comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. When octane is burned in limited supply of oxygen, it will produce carbon monoxide and water. Similarly, we can equate this equation like we have done in above equation. 8 carbon monoxide are produced according to this given compound, and 9 water molecule will also produce according to this compound. So both of these will have how much oxygen? 8 plus 9, 17. 17 oxygen, we have to place 17 here, but 17 when it's multiplied by 2, it is 34. We actually require 17, so we will divide it by 2. That's why we can write this equation in similar way by multiplying this denominator LCM, this denominator as an LCM to whole equation. 2C8H18 plus 17O2 will give 16 carbon monoxide molecule and 18 water molecule. As carbon monoxide is a toxic gas, it will bind to the hemoglobin in blood, which can then no longer bind oxygen. In other words, we can say it blocks the binding capacity of hemoglobin. So, binding capacity of hemoglobin with oxygen is decreased due to the binding of carbon monoxide with it. As no oxygen can be transported around the body, victim will feel dizzy, lose consciousness, or if not removed from the carbon monoxide, they can die. Carbon monoxide is extra dangerous as it is odorless. It does not smell and will not be noticed. Incomplete combustion often takes place inside a car engine due to a limited amount of oxygen present. Where incomplete combustion occurs? Inside a car engine due to the limited amount of oxygen present. Combustion of alkane or combustion of hydrocarbons and the environment. Car exhaust fumes include toxic gases such as carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, that is nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, and nitrogen dioxide, or volatile organic compounds. When released into the atmosphere, these pollutants have drastic environmental consequences damaging the nature and health. What are the carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is formed in the incomplete combustion of alkane inside car engine. We have seen this. Due to the lack of oxygen in the engine, some of the carbon is only partially oxidized to carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide instead of carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is toxic, odorless gas which can cause dizziness, loss of consciousness, eventually death. It binds to the hemoglobin, which therefore cannot bind oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is transported to organs. Carbon dioxide is removed as waste material from the organs. When carbon monoxide binds to the hemoglobin's capacity of binding carbon dioxide and oxygen is blocked, as a result of which muscles get collapsed and eventually when feel dizziness and eventually causes death. Oxides of nitrogen. Normally, nitrogen is too unreactive to react with air or with oxygen. But at high pressure and temperature in core exhaust engines, it will react and form nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. The oxides of nitrogen when released in the air react with unburnt hydrocarbon and form volcanic organic compounds, volatile organic compounds, which as a result creates peroxyacetyl nitrate PAN. That is the main pollutant found in photochemical smog. PAN is the main pollutant that is found in photochemical smog. It affects lungs, eyes, and plant life too. It also causes acid rain. Acid rain causes corrosion of buildings, endangered plants, aquatic life, as lakes and rivers become too acidic as well as directly damaging the human health. How it can be prevented from this exhaust mixture, which is carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen and oxygen, oxides of nitrogen and volatile organic compounds. To reduce the amount of pollutants released in car exhaust fumes, many cars are now fitted with catalytic converter. Catalytic converters convert the harmful compounds that are being produced as a result of combustion of alkanes like carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, and dioxide. These are converted into harmless substances like this oxidation of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide, which is harmless. Then this can occur like that carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, nitrogen monoxide react form carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Both of these are harmless gases. Similarly, reduction of nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide to nitrogen. Same is the reaction like that. Oxidation of unburnt hydrocarbon Unburnt hydrocarbons are blocked and burnt again with the oxygen to convert them into carbon dioxide and water, as a result of which harmful substances are converted into harmless substances by using catalytic converter. Thank you. Have a good day.